Hello YouTube! Eric DIY with another great review for you today. We're reviewing the Meross Wi-Fi Smart Plug Mini. So the Meross Wi-Fi Smart Plug Mini works with Alexa or Google Home. It requires no hub and it's a great Wi-Fi outlet. It is the holiday season here in the house, so we're actually going to test this thing by connecting it to the Christmas tree. And as always, I like to test my Wi-Fi plugs with my son, Zach. So Zach is holding the Meross Wi-Fi Smart Outlet, and he's going to plug it in. We already have the tree plugged into it, so he's going to plug it into the wall. Go ahead, bud. And you'll see that as soon as he plugs it in, it does turn on, but we have not connected it to the app yet. But you do have to plug in the outlet before you set it up on the app. So I went to the Google Play Store and I downloaded the Meross app for initialization. And we're going to open the app and we're going to initialize that. This should have all the directions on how to initialize it. So we're going to have to sign up for an account. I'll do all that and we'll use the app to get this thing working. So the app is asking me if I like to install a device now. I'm going to say install now. It's a Smart Plug Mini. And press the power button if the LED is not on. It is, so I'll push next. And then it says in about 10 seconds the LED light will begin blinking amber and green slowly, which it is because I've left it plugged in. So push next. And it's connected to the Smart Plug Mini. So we'll see what happens. And they found the smart plug. It's right there. It's the Meross SW2B66. So click on that. And it's loading. And it says unable to connect. So let's try reconnect. And it says it connected, so we're all set. So that's not a big thing. We're going to call it Christmas Tree 1. So we're naming the outlets Christmas Tree 1. We don't have more than one Christmas tree. I just thought one was cool. Push next. And it says choose an icon, help identify what your device is connected to. We're going to just select that outlet one and push next. And it's asking what my Wi-Fi password is and everything, so we're going to do that now. So you do probably have to use this app to set this particular Wi-Fi outlet first to get the Wi-Fi connected to it. So I'm going to enter my password off screen, and then I just pushed OK. And it says they're finishing up the Smart Plug Mini's configuration and adding it to the home network. There you go, blinked on and off. And it should be configuring itself. So I do recommend using the Meross app to get this thing initialized and connected to the internet. And it's all set. It says it's successfully installed. Let's get started. Push done. And if you see, the app can control everything. You can turn it on or off from here. Christmas tree off, Christmas tree on. Basically, it's just now a smart Wi-Fi app. You have Amazon Alexa support. So you can do all this. Tells you how to connect it to Amazon Alexa. It's pretty simple. So here's the Amazon Alexa app. I'm going to go to the menu up above, skills and games, and we're going to search for Meross. Here we go. And Meross is right here. I'm going to click on that. We're going to enable to use. It enables the skill, and we're going to enter in our username and password from when we installed the app. And it says successfully linked, and we're going to save that password so I don't have to do that. It says close this window. It's got discover smart home devices. So we're going to push discover devices now. And it looks like it's discovering the Meross Wi-Fi outlet, hopefully. It said when plug discovered, so I'm going to set up the device. And it says add your plug to a group. I am going to choose a group, and I have Christmas lights as my group already, so I'm going to select Christmas lights and add the group. It says Christmas Tree 1 is set up and ready to use, and then you're going to say this to turn it on. Of course, I'm going to get Zach to do that, so let's get him to do that. Hey Zach, get over here.
Okay.
All right, Zach, turn the Christmas tree lights on.
Alexa, turn on Christmas Tree 1.
And there you go, it turns it on. All right, turn it off, Zach.
Alexa, turn off Christmas tree one.
Now you have a voice-enabled Christmas tree, so that is excellent. Now on the Alexa app, you can see that we've clearly got a group of things here, okay? I have the outdoor lights. I had several Wi-Fi outlets, so I have everything voice-enabled through Alexa this year for the holidays. We have this Christmas tree. We have Zach. He's not Alexa-enabled. We have those lights above the fireplace. We have lights outside, which I don't think you can see, but they are outside. So if we just say Christmas lights instead of Christmas tree, it should turn everything on, including with the Meross. So here we go. Alexa, turn on Christmas lights. The tree goes on. Zach is still here. The fireplace lights are on. And the outside lights are on. So I'm not going to go out in the freezing cold, but just trust me, they're all on. All the front lawn ornaments and everything. So that's how you group objects together, and the Meross Wi-Fi outlet will work great with any existing setups. You can also turn off all the lights in one voice command as well. Alexa, turn Christmas lights off.
Okay.
And that's off. There's Zach again, he's still here. We have the lights on the fireplace off, and you just have to trust me because it's kind of bright out during the day, but the lights outside are off as well. So it's very convenient to do that, so that way you can control your lights with just your voice. So as you can see, the Meross Smart Wi-Fi outlet is an excellent buy. Again, you have to use their app to connect everything. It will not work with the Smart Life app that I like. That would be the one down thing for me at least, but it's not a huge deal breaker. I mean, you just have to keep the Meross app installed, and it does pretty much the same type of things. Also, just to let you know, you could set up routines, which is like scheduling. You can push plus on the app, and you have an on-off schedule, and you can have an auto-off after so many minutes. So, just like any other app, it has everything that you need. Over here, there are scenes so that you can connect multiple outlets to the Meross app. And again, this is just all your settings. They have firmware updating, which I updated before I did all that. So the Meross app is definitely capable. I just like having it in one app so I can just turn things on and off. But it's not a deal breaker. If you're doing Alexa only, it's not going to make a big difference. It's just that you have to keep this app installed. The Meross Wi-Fi outlet itself looks to be really, really fashionable. It doesn't stick out too much. You can see that it's kind of hidden in the Christmas tree here. If you would like to purchase the Meross Wi-Fi Smart Plug Mini, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video review and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And as always, while you're down there, push on the bell notification icon. It'd be appreciated because then you'll be seeing all the future Eric DIY video releases. We just want to say thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.